All right, Vishal.
Hello, ma'am. Hello, sir.
Hello,
Thanks
Vishal.
for thanks for giving this platform to us because we are just like we are disconnected from event part, and now we are just begin starting right now the new part of life. Just like I have just done 1 year course in event management earlier, but right now I am just disconnected from the event field. Right now, I want to set up my own,
That's great.
and
Congratulations and all the
that's
best.
why I have just attended your seminars, and the mentors are really great. These mentors are just like our teachers. We are just interacted with them just like we are knowing them from last some few years. It's just great experience.